Hello, I'm back with another Scale Model Podcast product review. This time from our friends at Return to Kit Form, who have provided us with a selection of canopy masks for various Valkyries. For those of you who don't know what a Valkyrie is, right, one of those basically. One of those. Here you go. If you have one of those and you build it, you get something like this, you'll have a canopy. Well, they have supplied a nice mask set for various different sorts. So tonight we've got a selection here of both 1/72 and 1/48 scale mask sets. The one I'm going to be opening tonight is this one for the VF1A JRS canopy mask. This suits all Hasegawa 1/72 scale VF1 JS Fighter, Super Strike, and Gerwalk Super Strike models. Like I said, we've also got some 48 scale. My co-host Anthony's got a 48 scale Valkyrie, and he's going to be using one of those masks. So let's just have a look what's inside of it. As I said, the very nice people at Return to Kit Form. It was nice enough to supply these. They also supply some of the Moscato hobby and distribute kits. So definitely check them out, and we'll have links in that on the notes for the channel in the comments and all that. So anyway, let me show you what you get here. So basically it is a basic mask. Again, pretty obvious. It's made out of the Tamiya tape. We're going to open it up. On the back lists their Facebook address and their email address. So returntokitform@gmail.com or facebook.com/returntokitform. So let's open this up. Let's see how she looks, because I'm going to be putting it in very near future on the Valkyrie. Masks do make life so much easier, particularly in 48th and 72nd scale, when you want to get things looking just right. So, alright, we'll take it out here. We'll zoom in a bit more. There you go. So, pretty straightforward. You get a set of instructions. They basically tell you to trim and prepare the model clear canopy, apply masking with pointed tweezers, apply front and rear canopy lines following molded lines, mask and remainder of canopy areas to be protected, and then apply your paint finish. So in this case, there's basically two masks, one for the front area and one for the rear. It's really tough to see it here, but that's all the front. It'll go around there, and that's the rear. And as I say, it's made out of the Tamiya tape, and it's really tough, I know, to see where the cuts is, but it's pretty well defined. In fact, I like it more than some of the Edouard ones I've seen. I find I can see the framework a little bit better. So that looks pretty cool as well. So yeah, basically it will go in on the mask there. And then in the middle, you'll use a masking fluid. Now what I tend to use, let me find it here. I've been using for years the micro mask from Microscale Industries. I've had this one for quite a while, so the bottle's starting to turn a little bit of a darker color, but it does work very well. And then, as I say, you paint it and then you take the mask off. So with something like this, particularly where there is such a large amount of glass canopy, like if we look at that there, you see there's quite a long line there. And even in 72nd scale, you know, that's a pretty large area to do, if you can see there. So yeah, these will definitely make life easier than trying to hand paint it or hand cut it. Again, there's all different sorts of things. So excellent looking product. I'm looking forward to trying it. I have been documenting this build of the Valkyrie on my own personal page, blackfire.ca. But again, we'll have this video on the Scale Model Podcast channel as well. And again, we wish to thank Return to Kit Form for these other masks. We are going to be doing a draw for some of these as a giveaway or a bonus for our Patreon supporters. As I said, Anthony's going to take one of the 48s. I'm trying to remember. I think this is the one he's going to take in 148, the VF1 DYRL. Or it could be the TV stop. I'm not sure. I have to ask him. He knows this stuff, these Valkyries and that better than I do, as most of you know. So anyway, that's it for now. And again, I wish to thank Return to Kit Form for graciously sending these along. It came nicely packed with a cardboard sleeve and even some classy stamps from Australia. So pretty cool. That's it for now. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can reach us at scalemodelpodcast.com, and that has all the links to the various ways to get the podcast and the YouTube channel and the Facebook page and stuff like that. So once again, thank you and be well.